Hey guys, Kirby Smith, Lightspeed Construction, coming to you today here from Weaverville, North Carolina, where our office is just outside the great city of Asheville, North Carolina. Guys, Lightspeed Construction is taking care of business here. We're putting a metal roofing system over an old gambrel roof. For those of you who don't know what a gambrel roof is, I'm gonna drop a picture right here. Gambrel is gonna be a barn style shape roof. So we've got at the top kind of like flat roof, and then flat roof on the left and right, and then it goes real steep and it kicks out at the bottom. So this is a pretty cool little structure, getting it done for my buddy Ed. Shout out to Ed. Thank you guys so much for taking a look at this. Hopefully we get a chance to do a customer testimonial video here in a little bit with Ed. But this roof's gonna look bad to the bone. It's gonna look great after we get done with it. It actually had an old modified roof over the top of it that we figure would be a nice substrate. This will work just fine as a substrate. I don't think there's really any moisture issues with this or anything like that. We're gonna cut these old kind of like humpy lumps, take that out, and then just lay our membrane straight over the top, screw it down, and have a good roofing system here for Ed and his family. Guys, thank y'all so much for watching. My name's Kirby Smith, Asheville. Give us a shout if we can help with your next metal roofing or shingle roofing or commercial roofing project. Thank you guys. Talk to you later.